Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Well, got an unboxing, and yes, this time it is a box, and it's from Joe at Garden State Gardener. So yeah, got a big box here. So let me dig in my pocket and pull out my everyday carry utility knife here, and let's open this bad boy up here. Seems to be less tape on the back, so I'll open up the back side. There we go. All right, so cool. All right. This is Fun Day Sunday, and not sure whatever else here it says. So, congratulations from Garden State Gardener. Thank you for all your support. Grow big, grow small, grow at home. Trying to read it through the back side of it, but yeah. Whoa, got a lot of stuff in here. Okay, so got the Stitch Croquet set. So this will. Actually, I may give this to my daughter. I'll ask the wife if she wants it, or should I give it to Megan to let Megan make something for her over there. And oh, got the big silicone, the big ones here. So this is the back. The back's all smooth. This is the front. So you make some nice hollow candies here. Cool. Oh, more. Mummy face. And a bunch of seeds here. And packing. Okay, so seeds. Let's see what sort of seeds we got from Joe here. Oh, cool. Yes, yes, yes. Nasturtiums. These are definitely going outside there in the front yard, the front planter area this spring. Small sugar pie pumpkin. All right. Organic pumpkin. Sweet corn. Oh, I was just thinking about the parsnips here today. Who's was I watching? Oh, she was one of the live streams. We were talking about parsnips. I think it was on Corky's last night, White Family Farm. Talking about parsnips. I think it was Darren at Thorhaven Farms up there in Canada was talking about the parsnips. So it's sort of like a, or maybe he didn't know about parsnips, and we were talking to him about it. You know, kind of grow like a carrot, kind of mild. And then we also have some early jalapeno peppers. So cool. Got a nice little haul here. Yeah. So these will get to put away in the Halloween stuff, and then next end of September we will get these out, and my daughter will start making candies in these. And let's see what I got here. For best results, place mold on a cookie sheet. Cool information there on that, and so this is going to be great for the grandsons there. All right, so that's that, and this is my haul, and that's what I got from Joe at Garden State Gardener. And I did get some other mail today too. I want to share with you. I'll put the seeds in there for now. Put my knife. Well, actually, I made my knife open this other one. So when I did the patio cover out back here, I changed up the downspout on the far end of the house here, where the 80-foot gutter goes and dumps into it. They had made, you know, I did a video about it before showing that what they did is in the bottom of it, you know, they took and just cut an X, pushed it down a little bit, and put the downspout up there and ran some screws through it. So that hole was, you know, not even as big as actually the downspout was. And so basically I got a 3 1/8 inch hole saw, drilled the hole, took one of my can of beans, the Bush's maple sugar beans. It's a big can, and cut the one end off of it and crinkled it a little bit and stuck it down in there and siliconed it, and then basically 3-inch calder coupler fits on it. Well, so now I have the new downspout, and I have a pipe going out about 25 feet away from the house, and there's no heat tape in that pipe. So ordered myself some heat tape. I got 30 feet here, so I'll be able to run it down into it and over there. And I will do another video on the installation on this. It's supposed to be raining for the next couple of days. Saturday, I think it is the next clear day we have, or maybe Friday. Actually, no, it'll be Saturday. Yep, maybe Sunday or Monday is the next clear day. I have to go back and look at the weather. Anyways, when we got a clear day out there, I'll do a video installing this out there. You can see how I run it down the pipe. All right. So, wow, a lot of seeds to plant stuff here. Other good stuff from Joe at Garden State Gardener. Sunday Fun Day and Pierogi Monday. Check his channel out. I'll try to remember to put the quick link for it down here in the description. All right. All right. See you around. Take care. Stay safe. Grow something indoors this winter. All right. Something, anything. Learn. All right. See you around.